Right now we're at Sunshine. We got these two beatboxing freestyle extraordinaires. They're about to do their thing right now. We're gonna turn the camera on them.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Yo, we're Christians. Does this ring a bell? We want to go to heaven and not go down to hell because we love our Jesus, and that's... Yeah, I know it rhymes with Jesus.
Jesus, the one who frees us, him I believe in. Yo, like Steven, stone me, homie, I'll die for this. No phony, baloney, and I'm not going ham. I serve the great I am, so great I am, but only in him, and I'm covered in his blood. So I ain't worried about the thugs, I ain't worried about the strippers, I ain't worried about the clubs, cause I am a Bible believer. Love, I was covered in, drenched in the propitiation for my sins, reconciliation for every man and woman. Doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter where you've been, cause in Jesus, yeah, I know I got a friend.
Yeah. That was awesome.